Hi everyone! We finally arrived at the gallery.
Wow, it looks so cool. I can't wait to see all the photos.
Agreed. Let's head in, girls.
Wow, this portrait is amazing. The colors are so vibrant.
That's a landscape photo. I want to learn how to take photos like this.
Tom, can you take a snapshot of me and Lily?
Sure. Say cheese.
This is much more interesting than I thought.
Can you hear the rhythm? The band is playing my favorite song.
There are so many people here. The atmosphere is wonderful.
I didn't forget. I brought some delicious snacks.
You're the best, Tom. Let's dance and eat.
Wait, let me capture this moment first. Smile, everyone.
Today is truly a perfect Saturday.
Now, let's review the vocabulary.
Portrait. For example, this is a beautiful portrait of a young woman. Landscape. For example, Tom loves taking landscape photos of the mountains. Vibrant. For example, the colors in this gallery are so vibrant. Rhythm. For example, Anna loves the rhythm of the music. Atmosphere. For example, the festival has a wonderful atmosphere. Delicious. For example, these snacks are really delicious, Tom.
Goodbye. See you next time.